Hi, today I want to show you how to use proxy VIP or VIP proxy. Here we have three applications, but we use only two, this one and this one. Open this one. Okay, log in, apply token. Okay, I buy this proxy for 1 month, and then select country. I choose United States. You can select region and select city, but for me no need. Click here, get proxy by geo. That's my proxy that I can use. You need to focus on speed. Only speed 100 is best. Speed 99 also good. You can choose from 98 to 100. Now I choose this one. United States. Click. And then you can see my proxy is running. I remove this one away. Okay, then open this app, proxy file. Again, here, load profile. You can load all system or load only browser. All system. Now check that's working or not. Go to website check2ip.com. Is it Cambodia? It's not work. Load the browser. Refresh again. Okay, United States, Texas. For who are .NET, sometimes error, sometimes work. Not recommend to use it. You can guess, work or not? I think it's work. Yes, it's work. My IP, this DNS, this country, region, city, zip. Okay, browser, time zone, Chicago. Then when you finish your work, you can exit or stop it. You can go to VIP SOC, click exit, and then click here, file, exit, yes, then check again. Okay, I come back to Cambodia. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.